Hi you guys, so this is going to be a quick get ready with me video. I'm going to Phuket Old Town to explore the streets and beautiful cafes, and I do not have a lot of time in my hands, so let's get ready. First I'm taking this BB cream from Clear's brand. I love this one. This clears my skin, give a very light and natural coverage, which I love when I am traveling. I like to blend this using my fingers only. Almost done with my face. I'll also apply a little bit of this product close to my eyes, like here and here, and a little bit over here to get rid of the darkness. Beauty of this product, tiny bit of the product goes a long way. Let's quickly do the brows, and for that I'm using this brow pencil from Etude House, and I'll just fill in the gaps in my eyebrows. Taking the On The Glow blush from Pixie Beauty, and I'll apply it on my cheeks, and again I'll use my fingers to blend. Taking this baby tint glow in the shade pink. This comes with 15 SPF and I've bought it from Thailand. Can you see it turned to a rosy pink shade? Again, this eyeshadow palette I bought yesterday only from Phuket, and can you see the beautiful glitter shades? So I'm going to apply one from this one. Let me quickly think. I think I'm going to go with this lavender and silverish tone glitter. So okay, I'll apply it using my fingers only. Wow, it's beautiful. Loving it. My god, can you see the shimmer? I'm so in love with this eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'm almost done. Last step is to contour. So let me do it and I'll be back. Okay girls, I'm done. This is my minimal makeup look, and this is how I get ready when I'm traveling. It took me only 10 minutes and it looks so beautiful. I'm going now and I'll see you soon. Bye.